I know your game, and it's
angry.
evil.
Calm down.
It is
Calm down.
evil.
Don't transgress. You are a criminal. What are you doing for the killing that has been taking place against the Muslims? Stop. Talk now. So what are you doing for the Chinese Muslims? Watch.
Why do I care about a Chinese
But before you care about life, you see. Are you speaking? Okay.
Don't put words in my mouth, Shamsi.
Okay. What do you think?
Don't you put words in my mouth.
Okay. Let me ask you in front of everyone because
Ask
you're
me
changing now.
properly.
What do you
No.
think about the Muslims being oppressed and being killed in China? Do you speak out against it?
I don't care. What's that?
You don't care.
I don't care.
The Muslims being killed doesn't
No,
care.
I care about my freedom.
Ah, you see, you care
I
about
care about
freedom.
the people
So why you
here.
care about Zionists? Yeah, she cares about the Zionists. About the Zionists. You see,
Yeah,
this is
you
the
know,
woman
the
I'm talking about.
2191.
This woman, she will justify the killing of the Muslims.
Wait.
If she see Muslim children being killed, she just justify it.
See, now he's
This
putting-
lady
No, I
here.
never said that.
What do you have? Okay,
never
do you
said that.
you have a social media? Do you speak out and guess the killing of the Muslims in China?
No, I don't.
Why?
Why should I? It's nothing to do with me.
I never do with you. But hold a minute. So
Nothing to do with me.
hold a minute. I thought you are supporting freedom.
Here.
Just here.
Oh yeah, here. in
Okay, what about the
America.
Zionists?
When you say Zionist, what
Okay,
do you mean?
what do you think about the children Jews being killed in Israel?
By the Muslims.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
By Hamas.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
It's disgusting.
She has, but it's not here. For the sake of argument, it's a lie. You see, when I told her, no. When I told, wait. When I told her about the children Muslims, okay. When I told her about the children Muslims, Rahim, please. When I told her about the children Muslims, she said, I don't care, I live here. But when I speak about the Jewish children in Israel, see, see. Okay, what do you think about it?
I don't like any children being killed.
Okay. In
Of
Palestine
any
as well?
kind.
In
Of
Palestine.
any kind,
In
including Palestine.
Palestine.
Children,
So do you speak out against the,
children.
okay. Do you
Okay,
speak out
so-
against Zionists for killing the
No.
children?
No, because the Zionists aren't the ones doing it.
So who's killing the children in Palestine?
Hamas puts their weapons in schools and in
So
hospitals.
Hamas are
and
killing the
fires-
Palestinian children.
fires
Listen
the
to this
weapons.
woman.
Listen,
where they get the
This
weapons?
woman,
the thing is, right,
this
they don't
woman,
let
she's
you
saying, Ibrahim,
They don't
this
let you
woman,
speak.
she's saying the Palestinian children being killed by Hamas. Look, listen to
right.
this woman.
Because what happens is Hamas puts the weapons. the
Stop
arsenals-
lying. Stop lying.
Where did you get the information
We're
from?
not gonna-
They put
Where did you
weapons
get the
in
lying, this
information
woman.
from?
She has so much.
Where did you get your
Yeah, they're
thoughts from?
shouting
Where do you
over
get this information?
from?
everywhere.
Everywhere. No, Channel 4 doesn't say that.
Everywhere.
BBC doesn't say that.
They
Wait.
they
Channel
put-
4 doesn't say
see-
that.
See how he talks over me? He won't let me
Because
speak.
you're lying.
Well, you won't let me speak.
Let's speak. Go on, let's speak.
Let me
Shamsi.
speak
Let's
and then
speak.
prove
Go
me
on.
wrong.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, give us sources, yeah?
Hamas puts the weapons in schools and in hospitals and in businesses
Yeah.
and fires the weapons from there, knowing that when the return fire comes, they will be bombed.
Source, yeah, the
And
source.
if innocent people are killed,
Yeah.
they cry foul.
The source for that? The source?
What's the source?
Wait.
Everywhere, it's common
Everywhere?
knowledge.
No, wait.
Common-
Okay, Ibrahim.
it's common
Ibrahim,
knowledge.
watch
It's
what she said,
common
common knowledge.
knowledge.
Channel 4 doesn't say that. Says otherwise.
I don't
BBC.
listen to Channel 4. They're
Okay, which
liars.
sources then? Which
BBC
sources?
are liars. I don't listen
Tell
to
us.
mainstream
Okay,
media.
listen, tell us. Which sources says that the Hamas are hiding their weapons in the hospital? That's why the Zionists are destroying the hospitals.
It's
Which
common
source?
knowledge.
Common knowledge. Do you know
Wait,
that,
wait,
brothers?
wait.
Wait. Do you know that?
Everywhere.
No.
Do you know that?
Oh,
No one knows
they
except you.
weren't. Oh, no,
But you just said common
you're
knowledge.
ignorant.
Common knowledge.
Shams.
Salam
Yeah,
alaikum.
the thing is,
You see,
the problem is,
by the way, this
dealing
woman,
with-
Ibrahim, by the
I'm
way, this
dealing
woman,
with
she's
people
known, she's a liar. She gave us no sources.
Shamsi's so rude.
BBC, Channel 4, even you
No,
know,
listen to them.
even look.
They're fake.
Okay, which
They're
one?
liars.
Which news?
Give us an
They're
authentic
corrupt.
one.
Which source?
Some of them are
Give us
authentic.
offensive. Give us
Give us an
offensive.
authentic one.
I go on YouTube. I go on different.
Which
YouTube?
YouTube? Which YouTube?
I don't have a
YouTube.
specific
Can
one,
you
I just
show
look at
it
the
then?
footage.
Show it.
The
I've
footage.
seen
Produce
the,
it.
yeah, the bombs being fired from
Hamas. How do you know that's
from
Palestine?
Gaza.
How do you know that's Palestine?
Oh, because they say it.
Oh, they say it. So now I'm gonna throw a bomb from here. I says Algeria, so it's gonna become Algeria. What a shame. Old woman embarrassing yourself
Don't call
here.
me old woman, Shams. That's
You know,
really
woman.
rude. Don't call
Why are
me
you a
old.
man? I said you're embarrassing
You said
yourself. Old woman, okay. I said old
did
woman.
say old.
But you are old.
I got it.
But you are old.
It's rude.
Rude. What? Are you young? You think you're 15
You
or
have to
something?
mention my age, dear. Just,
you're
you have to
15
say
or
old
something.
woman.
Just stick to the
You know,
point.
no, Ibrahim. You know why? Ibrahim.
Let me tell you something. People who
This
follow-
woman, she's known to hate the Muslims. She
know
justifies
that.
the kill of the
I'm
Muslims.
surprised that I
She's
know
known
that.
online. She's known.
I'm surprised that ideology that they follow, in the Quran, Surah 2191, says to kill the disbelievers wherever you find them.
That's a lie. Doesn't say that's a you just out of context.
No,
Wait,
give me-
wait.
Give me the Quran.
Wait. Okay,
Or
she
929.
took it out of context. Okay, what do you think? What do you think in the Bible when it says
No,
the Jewish
Bible
call the
is
children?
not- No.
Wait.
The
They
Bible
don't
is
say nothing about the
totally
Jews.
irrelevant. Nobody who follows the Bible is doing what the Muslims
Yes,
are doing.
Netanyahu is I'm following the Bible. Netanyahu is following the Bible, the Old Testament.
So what? The Old Testament isn't relevant today.
But Netanyahu is.
You know that the Quran.
Wait.
You believe
Watch
that
this
the
woman,
Quran
yeah?
is a current book.
Watch
don't
this.
you?
Netanyahu believes the Torah is the last revelation. Okay,
The Torah is bad.
it's bad.
Yeah, the
So
Old
the
Testament
Zionists
is
are
bad.
following it, so they are bad.
Well, that's some of them. Some of those people. Whoever follows the Old Testament,
They are bad.
a lot of it is bad.
So the Jewish people are bad.
No, not all
Jesus
Jewish
think it
people.
was bad.
I'm gonna come for you.
According to you. No,
They're
according
not
to you.
blinded.
Anyway, stop lying.
They're not
Stop lying.
lying.
You are lying.
Can I ask you a question?
2191. They won't look it up. 929, 2191, 532,
Get
533.
the verse.
424, 434. You look at all of those, and they're all violent, violent for the sake of it. 2191.
What I'm going to do, wait.
We're gonna hear expose this lady. By the way, this lady has been exposed many times, yeah?
Shamsi,
It's
no,
untrue.
what I'm going to do.
Exposing
What I'm
Islam.
going to do, all right, fine, just wait a second. Wait, 1 second, yeah? For the people.
It's a death cult.
Wait, listen to what she said, yeah?
If Islam
Listen,
is-
wait, can I just say something? Wait a second. This is the Quran, yeah?
2191.
So wait a second.
No,
I'm going to show you something. Ayah number 6. Surah number
No,
six,
get the whole
yeah?
chapter,
Wait a
okay, don't
second,
follow
wait a
her way.
second. Allah
Get the
said,
chapter.
Wait a second. This is
The
the
Quran
Quran.
chapter.
Allah says, wait a second, please. I want
Let
to
her
something to
speak.
you, yeah? Allah.
She hates Muslims
Wait a
so
second,
bad,
this
this
is
woman.
the
She's
Quran,
known.
yeah?
Check her on YouTube.
Wait a second. Wait.
She hates Islam.
Shut.
Islam. Oh, sorry.
Read the
You know what she said? I hate
I'm gonna
Islam.
show you.
It's like Islam exists by itself.
I'm going to show you. Just 1 second, yeah? Listen to what Allah says, yeah? I will show you. Allah does not forbid you to deal justly and kindly with those who fought not against you on account of your religion and did not drive you out of your home.
She doesn't like it. Look, she hates the verse.
Allah loves those.
I do.
She hates it. You hate it, innit?
It's the Quran.
You hate it.
I hate the Quran, yeah.
No, this verse, it says Allah. Wait. Look what she hates. The
But yours is in context.
No, that's not.
Oh my God.
Mecca,
This woman
Medina.
unbelievable, you
Was that
know.
when he was in Mecca?
This woman unbelievable.
Was that- it depends on when
She's
he was
not
in Mecca
happy
or Medina.
that Allah told us to not oppress.
It's all out of chronological order. They actually.
You know what? You don't know what you're talking about, you know?
What?
What's the context? Now, what's the context?
Oh, that's
I'll
why.
read it. No, I'll read it. Keep it up quite long.
She said, look.
I'll do it. All right.
Trump, support Trump.
Which one?
Trump.
Two. All right. Two. All right.
Baby.
All right. Okay.
Joe Biden. Wallahi, embarrassment, man. You know what happened?
What? Two. What?
Joe Biden. No, Joe Biden الشيطان اسمه. هو مش ماشي قال لهم جو بايدن كل ما انا مع اسرائيل. قال لهم من اللي على الكفر قاعد كيف قاعد كيف ما تخف. Anyway.
Why do I not want to read it?
Because it's going to be the truth.
No, it's a-
And
you
it's
don't know
going to
what's the
tell you that
context.
you kill people.
Wait, there's the context. She wants us to read the verse, yeah?
Come on.
2,
Read it to me.
2, 1,
Read
9.
it. Listen to it. Open your
Wait.
ears.
2191, yeah?
Yeah.
Let us read from 2190. That's the context, yeah? Look what Allah said. And fight in the way of Allah those who fight you.
Oh, what did I do?
You don't know this verse?
Oh, is it horrible?
No, this is 291. So what's Allah talking about who? Those who fight us. Then those who fight us, what we do? Wherever we find them, then we kill them. Not anyone, those who fight us. Look the context. You've been
3191.
exposed. I just read it.
You did 190, you said.
No, 0 and 1, 2. Look, Allah said, and
Are you can read English?
clearly, you know what, yeah?
Read it.
You know what she
Read it
did?
again, sir.
No.
Read it again.
The verse, the passages, the context now, yeah? So Allah speaking about what? Fighting. What Allah
Fight
said.
those.
And
Wait.
fight in the way of Allah. Those who fight you. What do you think about this?
29.
No, what do you think about this firstly?
Well, fight people.
Fight people.
Fight you.
So
What
this verse connected to the next verse. The next verse,
Is?
okay, so Allah said, don't fight those who fight you. And kill them. Who? Wherever you find them. Who? Those who fight us.
No, you're adding stuff.
No, here,
wow.
to be exposed. I hope you're gonna put it on your channel to show you this woman lying against the Quran. So this is the verse. Look, 21090, yeah? And fight in the way of Allah. Those who fight you, but transgress not. Look. Akhi, watch this one, yeah? Wait. You know, wait. You're coming to the wrong people here.
No, I haven't.
You should have done U-turn long time ago.
You want some
But
water?
look.
'Cause your mouth is getting dry. Do you want some water?
She,
Yeah.
no.
She looks like she wants some water.
Okay,
Do you want
no.
some water? Okay, do you want some water?
We can give you water. We have a new bottle.
Okay, go on.
We're not gonna put poison.
191.
No, wait. 191 is
And
connected.
833.
Wait.
I want all of them.
All right,
We
fine.
can read the whole Quran.
Can we
Wait.
finish with this then?
Okay. What 2191? Yes, it's connected to 190.
No.
So let us put it together. Yes, it is.
Why? It doesn't say that. It's the next verse.
Yes, this is a chapter.
Well, it doesn't flow.
Watch this. Yeah. Waqa. Do you understand Arabic, by the way?
No, but it's in English. It's
No, but them.
translated.
Okay,
It's
last them.
translated,
Okay,
see?
them.
But he's gonna do
Okay,
Arabic.
and fight in the way of Allah.
Fight
Those
in the
who
way of
fight you.
Who?
But
Wait, stop, son. Who?
wait. Those who fight you.
So do fight you.
Yeah, fight you. But listen what Allah said there.
Okay.
But do not transgress.
Wow.
Do not transgress. Do not oppress.
That's horrible,
Her
Chancey.
face in red. Do not transgress. She wants us to transgress.
You see, they're
She's
very
thinking why Allah say do not
manipulative.
transgress.
Wait.
You see,
Twist,
do not
twist,
transgress.
turn.
Allah likes not transgresses. Do not oppress. Do not put bombs in the buses. That's transgression. Do not
Transgression.
kill innocent people. That's transgression.
No, but only
Allah does
Muslims
not
can
love
be
you.
innocent. I
No.
know the game.
No.
It is. Your charity is only for
No, Prophet
Muslims.
Muhammad said.
The
do not-
disbelievers.
No.
You do not like. You call
Okay.
people who
Show
are
me
not
where.
Muslim disbelievers.
Okay. Show me
And
where in the
929
Quran.
it
Wait.
says to fight them.
Show me where the Quran
And
says.
that's what you do.
Show me where in the Quran says only the innocent people, Muslims. Show me in the
Find it,
Quran
find
says
it.
that. Find it. I
What
challenge
you
you.
say.
No, you
it's
said that.
Torah. I know it. I know that.
Have you been smoking something?
No, I don't smoke anything.
Wallahi, seriously.
You don't.
Anyway, let us carry
no.
on.
Right, listen, Shamsi. I
You know
know
this-
the
you know-
game.
she
I
will make
know
up-
your game. And
Don't
it's
get angry.
evil.
Calm down.
It is
Calm down.
evil.
Don't transgress.
Don't transgress. Do not transgress.
Don't mess with me, Shamsi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course.
Don't mess with me.
Okay. Even. So listen to this, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't mess
So
with me.
Allah truly doesn't not like the transgressors. Okay.
Yeah. What's a transgression?
Wait. وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ. Then Allah said, and kill them whenever you find them, and
Yeah,
send out to
see?
them who those who fight us.
What's a
Don't fight you.
transgressor?
There's transgression when
one who started
no,
the fight.
No. Prophet Muhammad said transgression
see?
when you kill
Is
a
this your
woman,
wife?
non-Muslim. That's transgression. If it's not fighting, even a non-Muslim.
It's quite embarrassing.
Akhi.
man. It's very embarrassing.
Okay, listen, Ibrahim. Are you listening? So the innocent ones, those
Who
Prophet
did he
Muhammad.
regard-
Listen.
Here's
You know,
the situation. Is it Muslims?
she's not happy with Quran.
No,
Wallahi,
because I
you
know.
know what? She
I know the
hates.
game.
You know what? If she was honest,
Right,
listen,
yes,
Ibrahim,
I honestly
Ibrahim.
despise
You know.
your ideology. I absolutely do.
If she was an
That's
honest woman, if she's an honest woman,
I
she would
despise
say, you know
your
what?
ideology.
It's
It's a
true.
cult.
The verse clearly said, fight those who fight you.
And I gave it to her
But
as
she's
well.
not happy with this verse.
They fight with you.
She wished that was another
929,
verse.
kill the disbelievers.
No. Wait.
Yes, 929, 929.
Wait. No, before that, wait.
I can
Okay,
give you a load of
wait.
them. I can
Okay.
reel them off.
What are you doing about?
Violent.
No. Akhi, hold this.
533,
No more.
434,
Ibrahim, listen to me.
2191.
No more
I
allow
need
these
more.
criminals to question us as the criminals. You are a criminal. What are you doing for the killing that has been taking place against the Muslims? Talk now.
What killing against the Muslims? Where?
In China.
That's hearsay. I don't know what they're doing.
So you don't care about that. So you don't care about no one. You are a murderer, supporter of the killers. Don't ask us any questions about Islam. You will ask you are a criminal. We are the judge. Do you understand that? So what do you think about the killing that has been taking place against the Muslims? What are you doing? No. What are you doing about this woman? She's supporting the killing of the children in Palestine. What are you doing about it? You have a social media. What are you doing about it? No. Don't about Hamza or Mahmoud or Abdul Qadir. What are you
They should
doing?
not be firing missiles
The French,
where
look,
civilians
she's
are.
justifying the killing. Lying. You are lying.
When you
No
fire
more.
missiles
Don't ask me about nothing about my religion.
from
Because
where
you're a
kids
criminal.
are, because
What are you
you
doing?
don't believe
She's
in the
an evil
sanctity-
woman.
Islam
You know?
doesn't believe
Evil
in the
woman.
sanctity of life.
Is that your life?
You don't believe
Who?
in the sanctity of life.
Islam.
Muslims.
Do you believe for that?
Do not.
Do you believe?
I believe life.
So what are you doing for the Chinese Muslims? Watch.
Why do I care about a Chinese
But I thought you
Muslim?
care about life. You see? Look at her.
I don't care.
But I thought you care about life.
Yeah.
Do you care about people's life? Wait.
I
Do you
don't
care?
care. What are the Muslims doing?
No. Do you care about
It's
people's?
just a fake story.
Do you care about people's life?
It's fake news.
So,
news.
listen. Muslims being
You
killed in
always
China,
play
fake
victim,
news.
But you're the aggressor.
See?
You
Okay.
start the fight, and then when people
What are you
fire
doing?
back,
Wait.
you cry foul.
No, serious.
That's how you behave.
Who killed the Native Americans?
Where the hell are you going back in
I'm saying, no, I'm going to
history?
expose you.
Today,
Okay,
Shamsi.
who,
Don't
okay,
expose
today,
me.
who, okay,
Shamsi,
who,
you're
no,
50,
wait,
you're
wait,
100 years
wait.
old,
Who's killing the people
and
in Iraq?
You will never, ever
Wait.
expose
Okay.
me.
Who
Do you
invaded
understand
Iraq?
that, young
Who
man?
invaded Iraq?
Do you understand that?
Who invaded Iraq?
I couldn't care less.
No, Ikhwa,
I
who
just
invaded
care
Iraq?
about your violence.
Who invaded Iraq?
You're very aggressive.
Who invaded Iraq?
You're very aggressive.
No, I'm not aggressive. Ask you a question. Who invaded Iraq?
I don't care about Iraq.
She doesn't care about Iraq.
don't
Britain
care.
invaded Iraq. You don't care. Evil. She are evil woman.
I'm evil.
Evil, disgusting woman. Leave her. Leave her. Leave. Disgusting. Evil. This woman put on social media. She doesn't care about the Muslims. Subhanallah. And she has the guts to ask us about Quran. How dare you?
All of the Muslims here all think they're out to kill all the non-believers. There's one point. Honestly, all of us here.
Akhwa, akhi, my brother, just leave her. Just leave her. This woman, her brain is dead. Wallahi. Assalamu alaikum. What are you saying, man?
Destroy people.
Barakallah fik. Assalamu alaikum.
I'm a Muslim, and my dad loves me for being a Muslim. He loves
converted.
Israel. He goes,
He's
every
worse
time you become a Muslim,
than a born
you become a better
Muslim.
person.
She doesn't care about the Muslims.
Muslims can't help being
She doesn't
born
care.
as a Muslim.
So when the Muslims be killed, it's a fake
To go
news.
into it,
That's the woman.
that makes them
You know
evil.
what?
It's
When the
evil
Muslims be
beyond
killed, it's a
belief.
fake
It's a
news.
death cult. That's all it is.
Billah.
Because
And
if
she
the
has a
ideology
God.
was a religion of peace, there would not be a punishment of apostasy, death, to leave it. Okay? There's no other ideology.
And she then she opened up her mouth.
She's disgusting. That is a problem. So it's poisonous death cult.
Disingenuous.
How?
What you said about Israel. What about Israel
about
being
Israel?
the thirdest biggest
big?
military with nuclear bombs?
Well, they need
and
them.
then you blame Hamas.
They need them because
Then you blame
Hamas is the
Hamas.
violent one.
Then we're the violent
You
one.
are.
Akhi. So you
were the
attacked
aggressors.
our
No,
countries.
you started
You
first.
attacked our
No,
countries.
Israel was
and
there
we can't
first
defend
before
ourselves.
Palestine.
Think what you're saying.
Israel was there
Think what you're
first.
saying.
You take something that's not yours.
She justified the kill
No,
Muslims.
no,
You're
Sorry.
evil. He's evil.
I'm evil. You're
Yes, you
judging
are.
me.
You
You're
call me
judging
evil.
me.
You
You're
call me
judging
evil.
me.
Oh,
No, I'm saying you're evil.
So he called me
I'm
evil.
not saying you're evil.
You did.
I'm saying the state of
No.
Israel. The state of Israel is
I'm
evil.
not in charge of Israel.
Akhi,
But they have a right to defend
you
themselves.
might just go debate tree.
They have a right to defend themselves against your aggression.
Okay, that's what she wants.
And you are the aggressor. You are the aggressor.
Me?
Yes, Hamas. You defended Hamas.
So what, you blow our people
There's
up
no-
and then you blame
no,
Hamas?
If you fire
You blame
first,
Hamas?
you have to be